Alright guys, so today we're going to be going over a few of the Betaflight 65mm. This one's from Navy Drone. It's the one that came out on the 1st April Fools or whatever. So I have a few of these in Crossfire, I have a few Mob 7s in Crossfire. I have some Beta 65mm whoops in the LRS. I have one in plug and play if you guys got your own. So yeah, I pretty much got it all. I'm just trying to do a nice winning, something cool. Can't fly these as much in the house. I don't know if you saw, but she will always win. Hey, leave it. One word, obviously. All you're gonna do is subscribe to my YouTube, tag me, share it with 2 friends. That's all you're gonna do in the comments below. Thanks. Enjoy. Also, good luck, and let me know. The more people you send, the higher chance I will put you in. And I have a few to get in. So